What's up, guys? We're here today. We're gonna put a black M3 badge, thanks to IND. We're gonna replace that with the stock chrome.
Gloss black. Here's the stock one, which we don't think is proper spacing for some reason, but we're gonna show you the process. So, what do you got here?
We got some clean 3M tape here. Basically, it won't mar or peel off the clear coat or paint when you apply it. So first we're going to start off, we're going to go along this edge, and then we're going to go along the bottom, and go along the top, and we're actually going to space it out a little bit on the right hand side because we believe this gap here between the M and the 3 is
incorrect.
A little close.
Yep. So the reason why we're adding the additional space between the M and the 3, it looked a little bit funny to me. So I pulled up my old my M3 before I did my badge, and you can see the difference between the gap between the M and the 3 there versus my M and 3. So I think for some reason it's just off a little bit. I don't know if the previous owner maybe had a different badge and you put the stock one back on, but we're gonna move it over just a hair. All right, so Craig is gonna mark these little areas so that way we know where the M should stop and start. And I did it on each little hump, basically. Kind of gives you a better idea of how to hold this.
All right, so now I'm a hillbilly and I like to use a hair dryer instead of a heat gun. I don't have one. And then we're also going to use some dental floss. So heat it up and then stick the dental floss behind it and see what happens.
Fishing line also works, but dental floss is a little bit softer, so you can tend to break it a little bit more, but just gonna saw it through. Slow and steady. And this car is going to get a professional paint correction and ceramic coating tomorrow, so that's kind of why we're getting these little aftermarket exterior modifications done. So we got this to do, and front reflectors. We took off the front splitters already. The OEM ones, they were completely destroyed. And then we also have a keyhole delete, but that might come in a later time. This thing's really gonna bling though when it gets back from paint correction. Shout out to Paul at Eastside Auto Spa, Cincinnati. There's that. There's that. And probably just use our fingers to get that off. If there's any other remnants, we've got some 3M adhesive remover.
Does the 3M stuff work good on this?
I don't think you really need it. Maybe at the very end. Because I would try to avoid spraying adhesive remover on here because you don't want to mess up the tape or your lines that you put on there. Sometimes that liquid will end up rubbing the lines off. press that part. Yeah.
3M adhesive remover here. Spray a little bit on the towel.
Just make sure you don't rub your lines off that you drew on there. Now would also be a good time to, if you've got like one of those Rupes Hybrid Nano small little polishers, you could polish this little area before you put the new badge on, because once it's on, it's gonna be pretty hard to polish underneath there.
All right, so now we're going to apply the gloss black M3 badge.
It's already got the tape on the back side of it. These are OEM badges. They're just painted at IND. So you got it on there, just push down firmly. So you got it all lined up where you want it. It's pretty good to me.
Just run it up that corner. Okay, so now we're going to apply the 3 here. Just like Adam said before, it's already got the tape on the back.
It's pretty good to me. Just gotta push down, seal in the deal. Good to go.
Okay, I pressed down firmly on both the M and the 3. So now, final step, we're going to peel off the tape. And obviously you just do it in reverse order. Ba-bam!
Nice. Till next time.
Thanks for watching.